Okay, Cal, you're up. Take your time. Yep. See, Ty, look. Take your time, Cal.
I want to see you laugh.
See?
I want to see Daddy.
You see? Hey, come on, Cal.
Uncle. Chris.
Don't touch anything. Ah, buddy. Pick up, bud. Pick up, Ty. Cal, and stand still in your stance before you swing.
Okay.
Stand still. Hold on. Hold on. Now go.
Wow, that was a baby throw.
That's why you gotta watch the ball, okay? Watch the ball. Stand still. Okay? Just watch the ball. Ready? Good job. Ready? Okay. Good job.
Oh, I hit the button.
We'll try again. So keep an eye on the ball.
Throw the ball. Try to throw the ball.
Hi, Ty.
What?
Hi.
Even my gloves.
You done?
Okay.
You have more balls in there?
No, I'm not done.
Okay, get in your stance, nice and relaxed. Now grip it and rip it. Good job.
See ya. Hey, my glove. Oh, my glove. It's my for my glove.
Good job, Cal. Hold on, Ty, hold on.
That's it.
Ty, no, back up. Callan, not with one hand.
Oh, no, I still hit it.
Yeah, but that's not the way baseball players play.
Your daddy gets that. I'm gonna be a twin. Like Jojo does the swing.
Good job.
This is a bucket.
Yeah. Hold on, Ty, stay with Daddy. Watch the ball. Good job.
Ow! That hurts. That hurts. That hurts, Daddy. That hurts.
Back up.
I'm standing right here.
Good job. That was a good rip. Wow. Is that it?